Hi everyone, it's Lori and welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing well today. I forgot my stuff. I so forgot my stuff. I'm going to pause you guys and I'll be right back. Sorry about that, guys. So let me tell you what happened. So this morning, this is what I forgot. So this morning, I actually, at like 4 a.m., had a little play with some, let's see, what is this? Textured paste crackle. Yeah. Didn't anyway, so I played with that some this morning. This here, don't remember where I got it, but I've had it for a while. And this is how it turned out. I used that stencil. Now it's okay, but it's not a huge fan. Not sure why. Maybe it's the crackle, who knows. But anyway, so this is that piano paper that we had just put on that blue cardstock. So anyway, so this morning I had actually took this to the bathroom and cleaned it up and walked in there a minute ago because I knew I was going to do this video, and went in there for the purpose of getting it, looked at it, turned around and walked right back out and didn't pick it up. So that's the kind of day I'm having. Alright, so we're going to open this up. So this is supposed to be regular what? Texture paste. It says opaque. Okay, I don't know what that means, but anyway, yeah, it's brand new. Just got it in a few days ago, so I thought maybe we could take some book page and some stencils. Let's see, I have some more stencils over here. Let's see if we want anything else. I have those. Now I do like these flowers. These will be pretty. And those are Christmas, so that won't do. So that's some roses as well. Is that the same thing? Look, guys. Look, I ended up buying two of the same thing. Surprise, surprise. What's this one? That one's pretty too. Okay, so maybe we'll get this one out too. And that's pretty too. Was that another one of the same? 077. No, 075. Yeah, so I have two of the 075. Oh well, whatever. Whatever, guys. It does not matter. Okay. Alright, so, oh shucks, man, that just scared the crap out of me. Yeah, boy, that got the heart moving. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so I just have out some French, I believe these are vintage, not antique book pages. And look at there. So we are just going to do some stenciling and see how it turns out using this here crackle paste. And this is just, I saw somebody doing it with a butter knife. Well, I have this, I don't know what it is, but anyway, it's from my kitchen and I never ever use it. So I thought we could use it for this. Okay. So I've only saw this done a couple of times, guys. Really don't know what I'm doing here. But yeah, we're just gonna do it, I guess, and see how it comes out. Okay. Alright, I guess just go over it and squish it down, I guess. And that other cleaned up really good, really fast off of my stencils, so I think we'll be good there. Got it on my finger already. Let's go ahead really and do the whole thing, I think. see how she comes out. Right. Oh, well, that's pretty. Ooh wee, I like it. Okay, let's set that there. Okay, yeah, I do like that. Alright, so we'll need to set this aside to dry. And, let's see, did I have some more book pages? Here we go. Alright, so let's pick a different one. Let's see if we can get that off of there. There we go. Alright, so what about this one? I bet that'll be really pretty. Down through there. Okay, here we go. Oops. Oh, I stuck my hand on that one. Alright, come on, Lori, get it together. I've been watching a good bit of Ruby and Pearl XO, I believe it is. Really loving her style of journals that she does. So you guys need to go and check her out. I had never heard of her, and for the life of me, maybe I found her like a week and a half ago or so. I did get some of her digitals. She has beautiful digitals in her shop, like some antique French documents, and she has some really pretty what is it, vintage and antique wallpaper, I think. Okay, is that it, guys? Is that how we do that? Okay, let's see. Oh, looky. Oh, I really like this. Okay. This still has distress ink on it, so that's so, oops, so pretty. I don't know how long it takes this stuff to dry either. Yeah. Alright. So let's see. This one here. See how it's going to go. I think it's going to be pretty too. So I did work today, and do have two of the grandkids again tonight because Veronica is working the later shift. See, some of that color's coming off of there. Which I think it'll be pretty. Okay. Now, see how this one turns out. Come on. Oh, that's pretty. It has that hint of pink to it. You guys probably can't see that. Oh my goodness. It's so pretty. Okay, I think I'm going to do another one of these. I have no room to lay stuff, guys. I have seriously stuff everywhere. We're just going to do this one, even though it doesn't have book page all over it. Okay, let me see. I think I'm sticking my sleeve in stuff over here. Try not to waste it either. I'm not sure like how thick or whatever you're supposed to do this. I think this little thing's working out really good. Like I said, it's just a thing I never really use. I pulled it out of one of my drawers in my kitchen. Appears to be working pretty well. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. Oh, I love it so much. Awesome. I'm seriously out of room over here to put anything. Okay, let's see. Get that off of there. Feels like that may be drying pretty quickly. Let's get, what do we want to get? Let's see, I have just some wallpaper. I don't know if I want it on just the wallpaper. Oh man, just stuck my hand all in that one. Way to go. Maybe we could try this one. Tore it in half, maybe. All right. So, which one? I think this one on there. We're sticking that on that one. This about right there, and let's just see what it does. Not sure how it's going to look on this, but we'll see. Also, who was it? Was it, maybe it was Heather at Ruby and Pearl, who said instead of using, she showed a big old bucket of it, and instead of using the textured paste, because this is not cheap stuff, she actually uses lightweight spackle that you can get from Home Depot. Oh look, that's pretty. That off there. And then get this off here. Oh, look at how pretty. Can you guys see? That can be, look at that. That could be cut down for a tag, because we could cut it here. Cut a little bit off of this side. Oh, that is so pretty. So yeah, where are we at time-wise, guys? Okay, so this is starting to dry, and I don't want it to dry on my stencils, so I think we're going to go ahead and wrap up this video so I can get this in there to dry. I should have got like some old stencils, but I did not. But anyway, yes, Heather said she actually uses, so this is just a picture of what we got, guys. She uses lightweight spackle from Home Depot, and you know, it's just the stuff that you patch holes with in your sheetrock. But she actually uses it, so just food for thought. And again, I have not tried that yet, but I'm going to, because I was telling my husband about it, and he told me the next time he was at Home Depot that he would pick me up some. So yeah, so we will try that next time. Alright guys, so this is our attempt at using textured paste, and again, this is the Ranger Distress texture paste, opaque matte paste, ideal for crafting, dimensional effects. And I got this one actually from Joann's, 40% off, because that was part of what I got when she was having that sale. So this is what we got done today, guys. I will definitely be getting some of that lightweight spackle and use it, and we will do a video on it, and I will show you guys how I like it compared to this, since I just have used this. But her stuff is gorgeous, so I have no doubts on what she's saying, that stuff works good, and it's a whole lot cheaper. Thank you all for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. Thank you all for your support. Please hit that like button, guys, and give me a comment. I would really appreciate it. Love you guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.